Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Aparna Khan, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all this makeup look right here. This is so autumny, so vintage, so perfect. I just love this look. So yeah, you can see the inspiration. Like, these were my inspiration for creating this look. So without much more ado, let's get started. So first I will be making my hairstyle. Okay, so the clip which I shoot on the hairstyle was somehow got deleted, and this is how I came up with, so please don't mind me. So yeah, here I'm creating a normal ponytail, and my hair is curled because I just curled my hair last 2 days ago. So yeah, it was curled like that, and this is how I'm creating a very high bun, leaving that front strands and just securing it with a clutcher. So you can see here I'm just adjusting and fixing the clutcher so that it has a proper grip. Now here I'm taking my scarf and just tying it in a top knot way, and the remaining I'm just tying around the bun. This is how it will give it extra support, and the leftover hairs I will just brush them again and secure it with that same clutcher and the scarf. And this is how my hairstyle is. So yeah, I hope this hairstyle is easy. Now let's just move on to makeup, which I shoot on another day. So yeah, this is first I'm starting off with a moisturizer, Lacto calmin, and this will act as a primer as well because it has a mattifying effect. So I'm using it all over my face, around my neck even, and just taking my time and massaging it. Now I'm taking the Pond's cream and just applying it on the highest point of my face because I want that subtle glow, and this moisturizer give me absolutely that glow. Like, I love this one. And this is how I'm massaging. Can you see my skin? Look at my hair spine. It looks so glowy, so juicy. And I'm taking that moisturizer around my eyes also. So for the concealer, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I'm just using concealer. There's no foundation, and just correcting my skin where I think I need my highest point, my front section, and here and there pimples, yeah. So I'm just blending it with my blending brush, and I just take my time in blending, as I said. So yeah, if you guys please take a moment and subscribe my channel by hitting that red subscribe button and the notification bell which appear after it, so the next time when I upload it, you all get notified. So yeah, now continue with the tutorial. After stippling with brush, I take my beauty blender and just set everything. So this is the Lakme loose powder, and I am just applying it only on my T-zone, a little bit extra so that my concealer doesn't crease, and my eyes are super oily, so concealer tend to crease over there. Now for setting and everything, I'm just using rose water and blending it again with the beauty blender, and I just use hair powder because I thought that powder product was overall more, so I just compensate with the rose water. So here I'm using a Pears soap and just switching on again some rose water and just doing my brows. Currently I'm obsessed with this process. Can you see my eyebrows? So beautiful. So for the highlighter, I'm using Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline and just applying it as usual on my T-zone and on my front section, which just highlighted my features more. So around my cheeks, and yeah, that's how I did my nose, my cupid's bow, and everything, my chin. Now moving on to the blush. This is my favorite blush for autumn season, I guess. This is the Lakme blush, and I'm just using it upon the highlighter, and its blush also is having some kind of subtle glow, so it will make my highlighter more pop. And we don't stop there. We love blush, okay? So we apply it more. Taking that same blush again and putting it all over my eyes as a lid color, as a crease color, everything. Just this blush is like a one-man army. If you just apply this blush on a red lipstick, you are going to look bomb. You can see further in this tutorial. Just keep on going, okay? And this is how my eyes look after applying falsies. It looks so beautiful. And just lip lining with some red lip color. No, it's lip pencil, okay? And just filling that again and creating a perfect red lip. You can see my eyes though. Eyes look so beautiful. I'm just love with this eyes currently. And then I'm using my red lipstick favorite. This is the Maybelline Super Say Ink red lipstick in the shade Pioneer. Everything mentioned will be in the description box. Please do check that out. And this is the final look. Can you see? My god, I look so beautiful. Whenever I glam up myself, I feel like I'm a different person. Like, look at me, I'm looking so beautiful. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and this was inspiration from the autumn leaves and autumn season. I know everyone love autumn. It's so beautiful, it's so cozy vibe. Without much more ado, let's just end this video. But before leaving, please take a moment and subscribe my channel by hitting the red subscribe button and the notification bell which appear after it. Bye bye, take care.